it's Martin from Gardens for Life. We're here at the Poultry market in Roscommon town. It's on every first Sunday of the month. So let's take a look what's here.
We should have a rabbit like that.
Oh, they're rolling. They're rolling here. Oh, they're very young. How you doing?
Everyone is really gone.
No, she's tired.
The rabbit.
There's plenty of people here who come on your side if there's a problem.
Yeah, well, only they drove.
15 each. Yeah. Oh no, they're only young. They're only young.
Look, that's the thing we have.
Yeah, have you got a dog?
I've seen it.
Tiny.
Tiny ones. They're quail. Tiny little quail. How are we doing?
Oh, you're right.
How many ducks?
Oh, look at these. Oh, look. These are runner ducks. I think they're Indian runners. A lot of birds.
Like that.
You never know what you might find at a poultry market. Rabbits and hamsters and all sorts. So the market is on every first Sunday of the month, and it's here in Roscommon town at the fire station, just beside the fire station. And as you can see, it is quite a big market, but apparently we are here a little bit late this morning because a lot of people have actually already gone home, so normally it'd be fairly packed. A bit like a car boot sale for poultry. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and please come to Roscommon Poultry Market in December and January. It's not meant to be on, but there'll still be a few people around, so I've been told. Alright, thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.